come inside. Wow! Ang ganda! Good morning everyone, it's Michelle here. Welcome to our new episode. So I'll be touring you around here in Amaia Steps Mandaue, a mid-rise residential condominium for sale here in Cebu. Amaia Steps Mandaue is a proud development of Amaia Land Corp, which is under the fourth brand of Ayala Land Company. It's strategically located along UN Avenue, corner Plaridel St, Mandaue City. The best thing about this project is you have an easy access to international schools, hospitals, close to lifestyle hub, hotels, resorts and water parks, and other establishments. What makes it great, guys, is it's just a few minutes away from Mactan International Airport, which is very advantageous, so you don't need to rush going to the airport. But first, you know what to do, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe with our official YouTube channel, Open Doors, our Facebook page, Open Doors Realty. Follow us on our Instagram at opendoors.ph. Hit notification bell so you'll get notified whenever we release new videos and property listings. Now, let's begin. This project sits on a total lot area of 8,009 square meters, composed of two towers, the North Tower and the South Tower, with both 9-story developments. This project has well-designed units that you can choose from: a studio unit, a deluxe unit, and a premier unit. Behind me is the facade of the North Tower, where we'll be checking out a few available units. And that's the latest structure, the South Tower, which is still in a construction phase, an estimated turnover by the end of 2023. So guys, this is the perfect time for you to invest since the price is still in a pre-selling stage. So moving forward, before we go up, let's check first the amenities. Right at the center of the development is your lap pool and kiddie pool, where your kids get to enjoy swimming, or having a family bondings on a weekend. And right over here is the mini children's play area. So can you imagine guys watching children playing here? Di ba ang saya? And then soon, on the South Tower, there will be a multi-purpose hall that you can celebrate special occasions with your family and friends. And of course, several commercial spaces as well, which is very convenient for the residents living here. Isn't it exciting, right? Ako nga excited eh. So we will look forward on that. So let's go and check out the actual units. As you can see, you have 2 elevators, and this is your hallway. So we would like to highlight some features of the project. This project is an eco-efficient. You have light-colored facades and walls, which can minimize the absorption from the heat of the sun. And also, you have naturally ventilated units and hallways. Kita nyo naman, which means you have proper airflow throughout your entire living space. So now, let's check out the studio unit. This is a 24 square meters studio unit. So this is your main space. In terms of materials and fixtures, your flooring is made of vinyl planks, painted finished walls and ceiling, aluminum frame powder coated windows, which are strong windows that can withstand typhoon winds, and of course, fire sprinkler and fire detection system per unit. And over there naman is your prep area, kitchen sink with base cabinet and countertop. Actually, you can add up here more cabinets for you to have more storage spaces. Your provision of your range hood and provision of your fridge naman dito, and this is where your cooktop will be. So guys, for a studio, this is actually quite spacious. It can fit up to queen size bed, and your wardrobe over here. Yeah, it's definitely a studio, but you've got a lot of space, you've got a lot of lights, diba? Be creative guys, it's up to you how you can maximize this entire space. So now, let's check out the toilet and bath. So again guys, this is your toilet and bath. It's very spacious. Painted walls and ceiling is made of moisture, water resistant. And in terms of flooring, these are ceramic tiles. And the same with the tiles of your shower area, the wall of your shower area. So now, let's visit the model unit. Dali, excited na ako! Come and follow me guys. So we will show you this model unit for you to have an idea how you can turn your unit into an organized and beautiful space. So let's go! Come inside. Wow! Ang ganda! Look at this, guys. Actually, guys, you can set up your unit as exactly like this, but it's up to you. If you have an interior designer or you have your own idea, you can choose whatever type of design you want. What I really love about this dress-up unit is how they maximize the entire space. It looks more spacious because of the color combination and the furniture and appliances being set up. And they also put up a platform that can separate the bedroom area from your dining and your kitchen area. And over here naman is a two-seater dining rectangular table that with a purpose that serves as a partition from your bedroom to your dining and your kitchen area. So, kita nyo naman, di ba? And underneath, there's a mirror that can visually create the appearance of more space. You know what, guys? It feels fresher and brighter in here because of the lights, the bright walls, and it's more reflective, making the space more open, feel, and airy. So guys, please remember that brighter rooms makes feel bigger and more inviting, just like this. And moving forward, this place over here is a dedicated area if you're in a work from home, or this would be a study area. So over here is your kitchen. So now we'll check out the toilet and bath. So this is your toilet and bath. So the same deliverable units comes with complete standard fixtures. As you can see, they put up a standard, the shower glass enclosure over here, and a vanity mirror, and of course, hanging shelves where you can place your toilet niche and beauty essentials. Perfect, diba? So now, I think we're done in here. We'll lead you to the other model unit, which is a deluxe dress-up unit. Tara! Come inside, guys. So for this unit, it's 30 square meters. So this is more bigger than the studio unit that we've shown you earlier. And as you can see, this is being set up as a one-bedroom unit. So the deliverable finish and fixtures are totally the same. The only difference is just the size. It's much bigger, around 6 square meters. And it's up to you guys if you make it as a studio ba or a one-bedroom unit just like this. And over there is your kitchen area. As you can see, they add up more cabinets. And then dito, this is a half partition wall wherein it can separate your kitchen from the rest of the space. And this is place where you can set up a shoe cabinet for your footwears, or sa mga plantita or plantito natin dyan, this is a perfect spot also for your indoor plants. And then, for your dining area, it can fit up to 4 seaters. And actually guys, I really like the concept of having a mirrors throughout the wall kagaya nito. It's because it will give your space more open feel and more spacious, di ba? It's up to you guys how creative you are. As long as you're comfortable, be creative with your lighting, and of course, choose the best furniture and appliances that fits the size of your unit. So now we'll check out the toilet and bath. So again, for your toilet and bath, the same finish and the same fixtures, same layout and same setup. So actually guys, there's another unit, a premier unit, which has an area of 39 to 41 square meters. The deliverable finish and fixtures are totally the same. The only difference is just the size. It's up to you if you'll make it a huge studio ba, or pwede siyang maging one-bedroom unit, malaking one-bedroom, or even a two-bedroom unit. So guys, for young professionals or for a startup family or for couples or to those who are planning to invest a property, this is what you've been looking for. And good news for you guys, because Amaia offers buyer's promo, which you can get 7.5% discount when you pay the 2.5% down payment in just 2 months or through spot payment. And another 10,000 pesos off on your first monthly amortization. So what are you waiting for? Reserve a unit now for only 20,000 pesos. So that would be all for today's tour. For more information about this project or you want to schedule a site visit, you may contact us at any of our contact details below. I hope you enjoyed this episode and we look forward to welcome you soon here in Amaia Steps Mandaue. Before we end this episode, please don't forget to subscribe with our official YouTube channel, Open Doors, our Facebook page, Open Doors Realty, our Instagram at opendoors.ph. Hit notification bell so you'll get notified whenever we drop new videos and property listings. And if you would like your listing or property to be featured or sell with us, send us a message. Again, this is Michelle. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye!